Are you excited? Yeah. Where are we going?
To Florida. I told you it's nighttime.
What are they doing to the plane? Oh, I see. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Yeah.
I'm a little tired.
A little. The quirks kick in and then I don't sleep. So.
I just need coffee.
That's the difference. Is you're like dying, need coffee 24/7, and I'm like 2 hours of sleep and I'm fine.
Yeah, but you have things.
I'm special. Where are we?
Hi.
Hi.
He's pouting.
He's what?
He's pouting.
Oh, yeah. Did we make it? We made it.
Where's the TVs?
Spoiled.
We made it! But as soon as we get going here in a second, we've already run into a dilemma. We got the car, 20 minutes after we got the car, something happened. Let's see if you can hear it. Can you hear it? 20 minutes after getting the car, we get a bolt in the tire. So now we have to go back to the airport and exchange the car and hopefully not run into anything else. But honey, we're in Florida.
We are in Florida. And
Kiddo's asleep.
he's asleep.
Yeah.
We're just sitting in traffic.
No gators yet. And we're back. And they upgraded us to a mid-size car.
Yay.
Made it to our hotel. Full kitchen. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're here at the Vineland Premium Outlets and we're gonna go to the, what is it? Disney Character Warehouse. Not the outlet, which is down the other way. We did about 3 circles trying to find this place. So let's go get some toys for the boys. What kind of toy are you gonna get? A stormtrooper?
Yeah.
All right, let's go see if we can find this place. We gotta look for it. It's over by the fossil, I think. Okay, so it is a Tuesday, and we're looking at the store right now. The entrance, there's a huge line to get in. Oh my God. There's the line to get into the warehouse. This is crazy. Are we at the back of the line? We're at the back. We have to go through this, go around the corner, through that big crowd, and then go in. That's how crazy it is today. All right, we're in. Let's go, bud. Oh, it's busy. Oh, it's busy. What are you looking at? What is this? Look at these Forever Kids Disney shirts, collared shirt for $14.99. So many people in here. Oh, look at these Jack Skellington. $3.99. And they've got Sally here. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It doesn't say how much Sally is. What do you got there? Is that FN 2187? 2187. Yeah. How long have we been here?
Too long.
Actually, we got in line at what, 10:45?
Yeah.
And it's 11:25 now. And we're still waiting
in line.
in another line. But that's Disney though. The Disney line.
Yeah, this is not a feature.
This is a line.
This is not a ride.
We're spending
This
more
is poor
money.
people trying to spend
More money.
as much money as they could save.
They told us to come here, not the parks.
Yeah. Just going to Disney Springs.
Yeah. Okay, so we spent an hour in there, right?
Yeah.
I was expecting to go in maybe 30 minutes. Whoops. Okay, so we got our bag. We'll go through that later on because we actually need to get going to, what, Disney Springs? You want to go have some lunch or something? Okay. You think you have to go to the bathroom? Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Minnie Mouse floor in the Jaleo bathroom. Also, it's just me and the kiddo in here, so don't freak out. There goes the prosciutto. You hungry?
I want it.
Are you happy to be at Jaleo? No? Are you hungry?
I miss this kind of food.
Yeah. So you got the ensalada verde. With peeled tomatoes, right? That's what he said. I got the same thing too. So I ordered the gazpacho, the chilled gazpacho. I guess I don't have to say chilled because gazpacho is
Mommy,
chilled.
here's my snack.
Oh, I better eat before this one gets mean. Olive oil that was on the bottom.
Tomato, cucumber.
With tomato and cucumber. So it was sitting on the bottom, and then she came and poured the gazpacho on top of it, right? Yeah. All right.
Yes, so this is special that you want to do. This is 4 courses.
Oh, they had a kids menu.
Oh, it's perfect. Jose, it's perfect. Do you want to try some? It's really good.
a little bit of the oil.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. Okay, Jose. So, Michael, our server, brought out the chorizo. And because I have a gluten allergy, he made sure to separate the breadsticks from it.
Nicholas, good job. Yeah, I'm being all fussy. That's not what he wants. Let me use my fingers.
Yeah. Let's see, which piece do I want? I'll get this piece. I'll leave the big pieces for you.
You like them? Mm-hmm. Crunch, crunch, crunch. This is so good, huh?
Oh, that's delicious.
Yeah.
Well, you know my thing with meat. Like all the things that are in meat that scare me away from it. I'm not scared here, Jose. I'm not scared with your meat. Okay, what did we think of Jaleo?
I thought it was great. I thought it was not fussy. It was a nice, quick, flavorful lunch. I'm not full, but I'm happy.
What about the price point? I thought the price point was decent for the freshness
Sure.
and the quality, like of the cooking.
Of course. Yeah, I felt like it was a fair price. Not something doable every day for us.
Sure.
But
Yeah, because we spent, so for the 2 salads, the gazpacho, well, the chorizo was what was more expensive because it's really good meat. Yeah, we spent, what, $55 there? For lunch, yeah.
So.
But I would pay that for the service that we got. It was awesome. Michael or Mikhail, Mikael, I'm not sure how to pronounce his name. He provided excellent service. So that really made the day, besides the freshness of the food.
Yeah. I think it was a great choice. It was the best choice for us.
Yeah. The gazpacho was incredible. The texture was incredible. The food there is both of our palates, for sure. So, that we're familiar with. I haven't found anything like that in Oregon so far. Sorry, we're doing this review in the car because we are heading back to our hotel to change real quick and to head over to Magic Kingdom for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. That was the big surprise, I guess. We didn't know the hints from Instagram. That's the surprise that we're doing tonight, the big party. We're going to Mickey's Not So Scary. And yes, the food. So I think tomorrow night you wanted to return there, right? Maybe have a coffee and some dessert, possibly. We're gonna try to go back to Jaleo. I think that's gonna be our go-to for this kind of stint in Orlando, 4 days in Orlando. Who spends 4 days in Orlando, really? For this short stint, we're gonna stick to Jaleo at Disney Springs at least. So, yeah, lights green, gotta go. Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. But before you go, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and smash the bell right next to it so you can get notifications of all our new videos. In the meantime, be sure to check out all of our other playlists, Higa Cafe, Shenanigans Shorts, Illumina Family Travels, and so many more. You can find us on Instagram and Twitter, and coming soon, our own Patreon page. Check us out at Illumina Kokina. Thank you so much for your support. You decorate Daddy in your Mickey swag?
No, Mickey stickers.
Oh, okay.
Look at this kid digging in.